Okay, here it is. It's almost there. If I hook up the battery, the negative and positive, fuel, it will run. Cooling is another issue, but anyway, I got it in here. Muffler's on. I'm gonna clean up this because it looks like crapola, but I'm gonna do that. So right now, look, see, it's locked, and you can do the release. Oh, I'm sorry. You gotta hit these guys first, right? These guys first. Do the release. The whole thing comes out. Like I said, the whole thing comes out. And that is not the original generator anymore. Did a heat shield around. It has dual fuel. I can get to this to change that. Exhaust. Don't look at that. Air cleaner I can take off while this is still on. This only comes off with 6 bolts, so if I needed to, I can get to the pull start if I had to. If I want to charge USB, I can throw a phone in here and drive around with it. Not really. And all the controls are right here. On, blah blah blah. Start. It looks like the button's popping out. Breaker. Oil's right here. And then you got the drain right there, right? So I need to figure out these little wimpy wires, how to hook these wimpy wires up to the 1 gauge that's coming out of the coach. But that's the next step. I'm going to hook it up, hook the fuel up, start it up, and see what happens. The fuel, you can't see it, but it's back here, the little fuel pump back there. There you go. And then watch this. You just push it, close it. Like that. No one would ever even know if they just look at it real quick. I just gotta, like I said, I need to figure out some kind of fan. There's not much room left because this whole side is pretty much closed up. There's a hole here and there's some fins. There is room up here. I wonder if I'm thinking maybe, I don't know. I have a fan, but I don't think that's gonna be enough space. Anyway, well, there it is.